Hi everybody, welcome back. The Pretty Positive. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Andrea. Here we go again. Yay! I've got something in my eye. So today I wanted to talk about staying positive when things become redundant, and I also wanted to talk a little bit about routine and how we can stay positive in those day-to-day routines. So it seems like everybody that I've talked to in the last week is just so excited to get back into a routine. We're coming to the end of the summer, or winter if you're in Australia. Flashback to May and everybody was just ready for summer. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. I'm not complaining though. This is Canada. I'm gonna take it. Hair blowing in the wind. We kind of let go in the summertime. Maybe we sleep in a little bit longer. It's so sunny until like 9 o'clock at night. I'm not going to bed. I refuse. Tips and tricks. Have a morning routine. Tips and tricks. And this idea of a morning routine has been said, it's been done. Books have been written about it. I'm going to mention a book at the end that I think is really great for this topic. If you fill your morning routine with things like gratitude, because you're so grateful for every morning that you open up your eyes, but I promise you, as soon as you get into the habit of gratitude, then you're set. Find something you truly love to do. So even if everything else about the day is a routine, there's this specific thing that you look forward to. Now don't get me wrong, live in the moment, live in the moment. But let's say at the end of every day, you have an opportunity after dinner for an hour to play piano or to go on your Duolingo and practice Japanese that you've always wanted to learn. Or you turn your room into a YouTube studio. I know somebody that did that. And you create things that make you happy and you connect with people that are on the same journey as you, like-hearted and like-minded. And those things break up the redundancy of the things that we might get bored of. Some of this stuff might seem really obvious. Sometimes you just need somebody else to say it to you. Come in. There's also simple little things that you can do, like taking a different route to work. Jim Quick, who is a memory expert, talks a lot about little things like brushing your teeth with your left hand. Is that my left hand? Yes, that is my left hand. Maybe you always eat toast and peanut butter for breakfast. I'm actually kind of hungry. That sounds good. Instead of buying one cereal and eating that cereal every morning until the box is gone for 2 weeks, buy 3 cereals. Walking on the wild side. Those little things, tiny things like that, can actually make a huge difference in helping to not get bored. I didn't really have a 1, 2, 3 list this week. If you guys want a 1, 2, 3 list every week, just let me know in the comments below. That's actually like I'm pointing at my shirt, but from your end, that is the comments. So I've heard. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 list, or whatever, however much time we have here together. So I'd love to end with a book that I feel would be great for you to read based on the things we just talked about. The 5 a.m. Club by Sharma is an amazing book. It gives step-by-step instructions on how to follow a routine, how to make a habit, how to break a habit. Definitely, definitely check it out. Thank you so much. See you next week, guys.